Huh, huh, huh. Get a hand up. Torture him. Oh, clean. Pull back. Clean. Oh, he's too little. Yeah, he wanted to play so bad. Let's play. Nah, he could shoot too. Oh. Real, man.
I ain't got it no more.
He just made like 3 of them. He done cut the hair off. No. He done cut the hair off. No way. Chat, look at him, chat. W's in the chat or L's in the chat right now? What are we doing? W's or L's, chat? I don't know. I don't know. Is he gonna hit? Oh. See, if you had the dreads, you would have hit.